In this video, I'm just going to show you how to disable your Twitch account. Welcome to the Digital Tutor channel, and if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to be notified of new tutorials as and when they're made. Also, if this does help you out today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. I really do appreciate it. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. So what you're going to want to do is open up a new browser, and you want to come across to twitch.tv. So disabling your account is actually different to deleting your account, and what disabling does, it actually deactivates your account. And what's going to happen, it's not going to delete your personal information or your actual account, it's just going to basically deactivate your account. And to reactivate, all you need to do is log back into that account, which is going to obviously reactivate. So it's very easy to do. What you want to do is make sure you're logged in and come across and click onto your profile icon up here in the top right hand corner. Then you want to come down and click onto settings. From here, you're going to get a list of options at the top of the page, and what you want to do is click onto profile. And then what you're going to want to do is actually scroll down all the way to the bottom until you get to this one here, which says about disabling your Twitch account. If you look, there's actually a purple highlighted disable account link. So all you want to do is give that a click. And then what's going to happen, as you can see, it does summarize up here that disabling your account does not delete your user information. So what you're going to want to do is just simply enter a reason for why you're disabling your account. However, this is purely optional and more so for feedback for Twitch. So you can enter something, give them a reason for why you're going to be disabling. For example, you're taking a break from Twitch, or in this example, I'm just going to leave that blank, and then you want to go ahead and click the purple disable account button down here. So once you've done that, you might get a pop-up asking you to enter your password for security reasons. Failing that, what's going to happen, you're going to get a big message like this saying your account has been disabled, and that's pretty much it. And to reactivate your account, as I say, it's very, very simple to do. All you're going to want to do is just log in with the same details. So make sure you do have them wrote down, just in case you do want to reactivate your account. And you'll see what's going to happen. It's going to come up with a message like this, and it says reactivate your account. Like, your account has been deactivated. Would you like to reactivate this account? Just simply go ahead and click the purple reactivate button. And you'll see you're going to get a message saying your account is now active. Subscriptions were not renewed. So what you'll need to do is actually manually resubscribe. Once your benefits to that certain Twitch streamer have been expired. Obviously, if you want to find out more information about reactivated accounts, there is a link you can click there. But if you do want to find out some more information about reactivated accounts, then you can click the help portal link down here. And then just go ahead and click continue. And you'll see what's going to happen. That's all good. And we're back into our account. So that's how you do it. I hope you did find that helpful. Please leave a like and drop a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.